Hey guys, welcome to my another video. Today I'm going to show you how to detect or found those spy programs which are set into your PC by hackers. So let's get started. At first, you should have internet connection on your PC. This is because it helps to detect all the spy program which we are sending our data through the internet. Let's open command prompt. Type netstat space ANO and press enter. You can see something like this appearing on your screen. Now what you have to do is check those programs which you see as established just like this. We have to check those connections. So note this PID number. This is very important thing. Now open the task manager to verify this connection is either secure or not. If you didn't see the PID number, then left click here and check this box. Identify the number. Let's search for it. And here it is. Now check its property. Here you can see that it is Windows service. So for more details, let's check. You can see that it is secure and Windows connection. Check this all. In the same way, you can check for any number or any connection that you doubt. So this is all for today. Thanks for watching.